On my left hand side, this is top end MacBook Air, 512 GB SSD memory, i5 processor and 8 GB of RAM. And on right side, this is my old Lenovo laptop. This one runs on Windows 10 Pro. It has 4 GB of RAM and 2 TB of memory hard disk drive. Recently I have replaced the hard disk drive with SSD of 128 GBs, but that hard disk drive has been made secondary one by some a case has been fitted in place of that CD drive, and it has been replaced. Both are almost similarly running. Apps are installed on this basic apps, since I have a basic work of Word, working on Word, MS Word. So in this MacBook I have installed LibreOffice, and this is running 2016 version of Word. So I will compare the speed and working of these two laptops. This one is bought in 2017 and this one is bought in August 2020. So basically I will try to compare the speed and workability of both the laptops. Now we will get started with booting the laptop. As you can see, the Windows laptop has booted fast than iOS MacBook. Both laptop is set on full brightness and full volume, and there are almost similar app on both the laptops. Now I will show you the details of these two laptops. See about this Mac, this one I will show you. This one is MacBook Air 13 inch and 1.1 GHz speed, quad core and i5C. And this laptop, Windows one, this one is 4 GB i3 processor and 64-bit operating system. Now I will run some basic apps to see that on which laptop what speed comes. Both are connected to same Wi-Fi. Basically I will try to play video on Google Chrome. I will try to play some video on YouTube in 2K resolutions. I will play same videos in both laptops. I will set both on 14:14. I will restart both again. I am setting the resolution to same. Both screens have been set on same brightness and full volume. I will mute this one for a moment. See volume of that. both are now playing on same resolutions. And now I will mute this one and unmute this one. There is slight slugging in playing by videos in Windows laptop, but it's fine. It's not that. I think if I pause it here, it will work fine on Windows laptop. Wi-Fi speed may not be. It's not working in 2K properly. I will turn it to 1080p. Now let's see. In 1080p it's running nicely. Now we will see some more basic functions which can be compared. I will do basic work of opening two PDF files on both the computers. Both are same PDF. Now see. Both are running fine. There is no problem in running PDF files, but on MacBook it's running more smoothly, and on Windows it's not running that smoothly. Now we will, since both are on same Wi-Fi network, we will try to see the speed test of both laptop. Network speed test means to say on same Wi-Fi what is connection speed. I will start with MacBook. Now doing the same on Windows laptop. On Windows laptop, speed is considerably high from MacBook. I don't know the reasons, but as you can see, it was downloading showing 14 Mbps in MacBook, and in this it's showing downloading speed as 24 Mbps upload and 24 Mbps download. However, in this MacBook it's only upload which is 24 Mbps and download was only 14 Mbps. The biggest difference between the both is battery backup. In this it is 71%, and I guess it runs 2-3 hours, but I have used it 2-3 days of MacBook. It at least runs at least 10 to 11 hours a day. So basically for general users there is no such big difference. There the price is, at least MacBook is 3 times more than this Windows laptop, which is 2017 bought Windows laptop of Lenovo. Rest you can decide yourself. Now I will show you the log shutdown speed of both laptops. Shutdown.